and it's got 10 puzzles today, and two numbers, four three numbers, and four numbers. And so we'll start off with giving you an idea as to how to play the game. So it's very simple. We're giving you some brief introduction. The three numbers are 6, 2, and 1 with a desired result of 3. So it's you touch 6, then minus 2 gives you 4, and then 4 minus 1 gives you 3, and you've got the right answer. You've got the chat below that you can interact with us and see how things are going. So we've got a few people saying hello. Hello everyone. And so in the results screen, I want to show a couple of things. So you get the solution correctly, and you get the number of points you get is equal to how many people gave your solution. So if 2 of them gave your solution, then you get 2 points. If 20 of them gave your solution, then you get 20 points. So, and then on this screen, you can see the leaders' points are listed. Leaders' points are listed up top. Leaders scored 5 points, and in case your score, it says you, that's 4 points. So that's how you keep track of where you are with respect to the leader. So now we've got the game, how to play it, got the how you score the points, and you can gauge where you are. So I think we're pretty much ready to get started. We have a cash prize as usual that's available, and pretty much a lot of you would be, I hope, are winners. So good luck to everyone. Let's get started, and let's go to game 1. So 3, 7, and the desired result is 10. We've got 2 possible combinations. We're just getting you warmed up. Okay. I know that you're thinking, this is too easy, right? This is kindergarten, first grade stuff. Exactly. Just feel comfortable. We want you to have fun with numbers. So 11 of you have given 7 plus 3 is 10, and 3 of you have given 3 plus 7 is 10. So the leader has 11 points, and the others will have 3 points. So let's move on to question 2, please. 3, 8, and the desired result is 11. So we have 8 plus 3 or 3 plus 8. And I think I know what this crowd is thinking. It seems to be favoring the big number plus small number. So we probably will end up getting most of you with 8 plus 3. Yeah, exactly. So 8 plus 3 is being given by 10, and 3 plus 8 is given by 3 of you. So the leader is with 21 points, and both solutions have been given, obviously. So let's move on to question 3, which is going to be 3 numbers. A little bit trickier, but nevertheless very easy. Remember, this is fun, free, and easy to play. 6, 7, 4. The desired result is 3. So how do you get 3 out of 6, 7, and 4? There are 8 possible solutions. So you can pick any one of them, and you would get a point. In case you don't know how to solve it, you can use a life, and I'll tell you how you can get lives in just a minute. So 10 of you have given the most popular answer. 7 minus 6 is 1, and then 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So the leader now is with 31 points, and let's move on to question 4. 2, 3, 5, and the desired result is 4. So let's we've got about 15 seconds to solve this. I think we're coming down to the allocated time here. So you've all locked in your answers. We are gathering the answers at this point, and we'll have the display as to what the most popular solution is. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. And so that's the most popular solution given by 9 of you. And the leader is it's at 40 points right now. So see how you engage yourself and see where you are, and then we can decide how what your strategy is going to be for the next game. And in case you're wondering how we do these 9, how we come up with these 8 solutions, there are different permutations and combinations. And the ways in which you can solve these problems are given. You can take a look at NR Trainer. That's a separate app that you can download and practice and play with it and train yourself to be better in NumberRoyale. So let's move on to question 5. This is once again 3 numbers, 8, 2, 1, and the desired result of 5. There are only 4 possible solutions, so I'm expecting that most of you are probably going to lean towards one or the other. So I'm suspecting not more than two solutions are going to be coming up. All right, so let's take a look at what your answers are. And it's 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5, so you've got 8 of you have given that solution. So that's so the leader is at with 48 points now. So we've got a pretty good game going. Everybody's in on it. And remember, you can I mentioned about getting life. So when you invite others, your friends and family, with your code, they can sign up with your code, then you end up getting a life as well as they would get a life as well. So you just need to make sure that you bring more people in, share the wealth, let them know that you're having fun with this game, and also that there's possible cash prizes that they can win. So let them know and share the wealth, invite them. Of course, you can also buy it, but I think at this time it'll be easy for you to just invite your family and friends and get more life. Let's move on to question 6, which is the final question for the third 3-number puzzles. So 9, 7, and 3 with a desired result of 5. So once again, there are 8 possible solutions here, and you can you can lock in your, I think, yeah, you all locked in your solutions at this point, and we'll take a quick look as to what possible combinations. So you have given 2 solutions. Wow, this is an equal split. 9 minus 7 is 2, and then 2 plus 3 is 5. And then some people have selected 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So it's even split, 6 and 6. So everybody gets 6 points in this particular case. So the leaders with 54 points. And so I think we may have a survey question coming up right now. Let's take a look as to what we just relax a little bit, and you're not solving puzzles. So what is the global human population now? Is it 6 to 7 billions, or 7 to 8 billions, or 8 to 9 billions? That's basically 600 to 700 crores for if you're comfortable in thinking about in crores. So let me know what you think the population is right now, and we can take a look at what your answers are. All right, so 7 to 8 billions is the most popular answer here, and you are correct. It is about 7.7 billions right now. So congratulations to those of you who got it right, and those of you who answered 6 to 7 billions, you were right a few years ago, and 8 to 9 billions, yeah, we'll get there in a few years. All right, so you can all be right at some different point in time. So let's move on to question 8. Oh, now we've got 4 numbers. 1964, 1964, huh? That's an interesting year. And the desired result is 2. You've got 90 possible solutions. And so there's several different ways of attempting it. And so let's see how many solutions are being locked in by our viewers at this point. So we've got out of the 90 solutions, let's see how many are coming in. We got 5 solutions that have been given from our viewers. So 9 minus 6 is 3, and then 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. That's the most popular solution, with four of you giving that. So the leader now has 58 points after 8 puzzles. So let's take a look at question 9. And remember, there is no points for the survey question. We're just collecting some information and having fun with it as usual. Now it's 2964. Boy, the previous one was 1964. Now it's 1,000 years later. 2964. The desired result is 3. And once again, you have 90 possible solutions. So it's pretty interesting. And Now we moved 1,000 years ahead. It'll be interesting to see what kind of games they play 1,000 years later. So now there are four solutions have come up, and the most popular solution is 9 minus 6 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, and then 2 plus 1 is 3. So congratulations to those of you who got it, and the others, no problem. Even though you got less points, and if any of you didn't know how to solve it, there is a way of using a life, and then you will get points. If you don't get it or you run out of time, you only get 0 points. So I would urge you to get lives by inviting friends and have that available to you. In case you're running out of time, you got 2 or 3 seconds left and you don't know how to solve it, just click the life button, which is the heart-shaped button that's blinking, and then you can use it. So how do you invite someone? Click the 3 dots, get in and say invite. You can share it with WhatsApp or email or any other social media platform that you have. You can text it and get the information out. All right. So let's move on to next question. Question number 10, the penultimate question now. So it's 1845 and the desired result is 2. So once again, it's got 90 possible solutions, and we've got several interesting variations of these games as well. I know you're thinking that it's pretty easy, and you're absolutely right. These are easy, and we want you to have fun with it right now, and then as and when we think it's appropriate, we will turn it up a little bit and make it a little bit more interesting. So now we've got 5 of you have given the most popular answer of 8 minus 5 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, and the 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's the leader is now with 67 points. So see where you are. You got a chance to catch up. Stick with the crowd in this particular case so that you still end up with the most points, right? So think about how they are solving it and then use the same strategy. Let's go to the final question and take a look at what it is. And so now you have 2617 with a desired result of 2. There are 150 possible solutions. So as I was telling you before, there are several variations that are coming up, and this is just a teaser. We have decimals, fractions, and algebra we can throw in. We can throw in multiplication and division, and so those are various possible arithmetic combinations. Now we've got the result coming up. 2 minus 1 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So that's the most popular answer, with 5 of you picking that up. So congratulations to those of you who got it, and the leader is 69. So it's interesting, it was 67 or 68 the last game. So it looks like the leader stumbled a little bit and got only 1 or 2 points in this particular game. So I hope maybe somebody else was able to catch up. So let's take a look at the winners in just one moment. But before that, I would like you to take a look at NR Trainer. That may be something that will help you get better. You remember I was threatening you with all these various more complex puzzles that are coming up. So this will be your best chance. You can get it and practice it and get train with it and get better. So right now, let's go take a look at the winners and see how much you have won and how many winners are there. So winners list. We got 13 of you winning about 38 cents. So that's roughly about 27-28 rupees for each of you. Let's take a look at Velumani has got 69 points. Keval is 68. Shaker with 66. Dorai with 62. So congratulations to, and Scrappy 434 with 60. So congratulations to each and every one of you who played the game. You're all winners. And our number royale for the day is Velumani with 69 points. Congratulations. And we will have another game coming up pretty shortly in about 15 minutes or so. So stay tuned. We'll join you and join us in a few minutes. So at this point, this is Saktivel signing off. Remember, without numbers, you are not even a 0. Be a hero. Play Number Royale. Thank you.